Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $8.50 by 2030. Market experts accept die could reach $3.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2023 is 80 cents. Die presentation. DAI has entered the crypto market as an interesting and important token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of DAI, look no further. In this DAI cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of DAI, from the ongoing cost to greatest value, DAI cost today, normal conjecture cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether DAI is probably going to be a wise venture for what's in store. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed DAI cost estimate. What is DAI? DAI is a digital money resource sent off as the very first security upheld. Decentralized digital currency. DAI is not the same as different monetary forms in the crypto market. Not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. DAI endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get an advance. These collateralized credits have a fundamentally lower financing cost than conventional unstable credits, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the creator convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to create new DAI tokens as advances. If a borrower has any desire to recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's inventory can't be changed by any gatherings. A proper stockpile is kept up with through a mind-boggling arrangement of shrewd agreements, which answer ongoing business sector changes and the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The organizer behind Producer Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the task planning to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is administered by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. DAI Specialized Examination. Any DAI cost expectation needs to consider the special position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital currencies, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move, yet what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and effectiveness like other cryptographic forms of money, however stays away from the cost unpredictability and intrinsic gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is an important token for making a solid venture and keeping away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. Regarding whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can changes, yet its basic role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that preferably, DAI's cost shouldn't vacillate a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. Notwithstanding, DAI's cost could in any case vacillate, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own exploration prior to going with a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is right now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $85,429,555. DAI is right now positioned 11 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,782,522,642 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI Value Forecast 2023. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.50. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the DAI's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2025. DAI Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that DAI effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2026. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. In the event that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help DAI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6. DAI Value Expectation 2029. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2029. DAI Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, DAI will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme DAI cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And, by and large, obviously creator convention is upheld by an inventive group, an extraordinary vision, and strong essentials. The framework's main role is to present a digital money that